Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage payment methods on Instacart before ordering. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Instacart just like that and click on the first link right over here. Now all you need to do is simply make sure that you are logged in into your account, and once you're logged in into your account, just click on this account tab on the bottom left hand side of your screen. And once you've done that, all you need to do is just simply go ahead and click on your account settings. Finally, once you've clicked on that, on the left hand side there are going to be a couple of options right over here. All you need to do is click on payment methods, and this is it. This is a page where you can simply go ahead and add any payment method that you want to. So you can either add your debit or credit card, your Venmo account, your PayPal account, your Klarna account, EBT, Snap, FSA, HSA, OTC network, and many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.